टेंस जो होता है ये किसी चीज को डिक्लेयर करता है, किसी चीज को असर्ट करता है। सेकंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन। थर्ड इज imperative sentence giving a command, advice or requesting something. Exclamatory expressing surprise, joy or admiration. And next one is optative sentence, it expressing wish, prayer or curse. Now we see assertive or declarative sentence. A declarative or an assertive sentence conveys information or makes a statement. ये किसी तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन को कन्वे करता है या किसी तरह के स्टेटमेंट को फॉर्म करता है। इट बिगिंस विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विथ अ फुल स्टॉप। ये जो असर्टिव सेंटेंस होता है जिसको हम लोग डिक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं, ये कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है और फुल स्टॉप से एंड होता है। एग्जाम्पल, देयर विल बी अ पावर कट फ्रॉम 2 to 4 in the afternoon. Water pressure increases as we move deeper into the ocean. The mobile phone has become an essential part of our life. Declarative or assertive sentence are two types: affirmative or positive sentence and negative sentence. Means affirmative sentence and negative sentence are the part of assertive sentence. Then we should know what is affirmative sentence. An affirmative sentence conveys a positive meaning. ये positive meaning को बताता है, सकारात्मक अर्थ को बताता है। For example, the government has made some major changes in the education policy this year. ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है और इसका पॉजिटिव मीनिंग है। द इलेक्शन हैज लेफ्ट सम ऑफ हिज टूल्स बिहाइंड। इट इज अ जॉय टू वॉच द सनसेट विथ फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कन्वेज अ नेगेटिव मीनिंग। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस जो है नेगेटिव मीनिंग को कन्वे करता है, नकारात्मक मीनिंग को कन्वे करता है। इट contains नेगेटिव वर्ड्स लाइक नॉट और नेवर। इसमें नॉट और नेवर का यूज होता है। एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन नॉट ब्रीथ easily at high altitudes. Cats do not usually bond with humans. There is no need for installing ceiling fans in cold places. Examples of negative sentences where we say not is used or never is used. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. In an interrogative sentence, the auxiliary verb is placed before the subject. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Example, do you like reading? When did you attend the calligraphy workshop? Why haven't you completed your homework? These are the examples of interrogative sentence where you see asking a question and it is started with capital letter and ends with question mark. Interrogative sentences are of two kinds: yes no question and WH word questions. Yes no question is formed with the help of an auxiliary verb and requires एन आंसर इन एस और नो। एस नो क्वेश्चन जो होता है ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है और इसका जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है एस या नो में होता है। सच अ क्वेश्चन बिगिंस विथ एन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और ये क्वेश्चन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है। आर यू फीलिंग बेटर टुडे? डिड यू ब्रिंग योर न्यू नोटबुक? इज इट यू सर हु रोट दिस बुक? These are the examples of yes no question. WH word question. A WH word question is formed with a question words like what, when, where, who, why and which. Since most of these questions words begins with WH words. They are referred to as WH question words. Such questions cannot be answered in yes or no. They have to be answered with a statement. For example, when does the bus arrive? Who has the key to the door? And where is Akash? Next is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command और an instruction. imperative sentence जो है ये command देता है, आदेश देता है, निर्देश देता है, makes a request, रिक्वेस्ट करता है, और offers an advice, और किसी तरह का advice offer करता है. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The subject you is implied in imperative sentence. और imperative sentence में subject implied होता है, understood होता है. Suppose we say, please help me clean up the driveway. It is a request. Do not drive without a license. It is instruction. Call in the messenger's command. Keep your surroundings clean to stay healthy. It is an advice. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion such as surprise, joy, sorrow, admiration, appreciation, and shock. It begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Example, oh, how long this queue is, and putting the exclamation mark at the last of the sentence. What a lucky day this has turned out to be. The exclamatory sentence can begin with a question word like how and what, but it does not ask a question. ये जो exclamatory sentence है ये question word से start होता है, लेकिन ये किसी तरह का प्रश्न नहीं पूछता है. इसमें exclamation होता है, इसमें emotion होता है. Look at the second example sentence above that begins with what a lucky day this has turned out to be. For emphasis, the word order is changed in an exclamatory sentence. उसको जोरदार बनाने के लिए इसका word order change होता है. Example, the Weber bird builds its nest skillfully. In this sentence you see the Weber bird is the subject, builds verb, its nest skillfully. You have seen order is altered in this to make it emphasis. How skillfully the Weber bird builds its nest. How, new word is added. The Weber bird subject and builds verb. Next, optative sentence and optative